Muhammad Mahmud Alam was a pilot known for his bravery. He flew for the Air Force in Pakistan. In 1965, during a war near Chawinda, Alam showed true courage. He faced many enemy planes without fear. People called him the Lion of Chawinda. In one famous flight he shot down 5 enemy jets in less than a minute, setting a world record. He protected his country and his people. Think of the sky on that day, full of danger. Alam flew his saber jet with great skill, outnumbered but strong in spirit. He thought of his duty and the lives he saved. His courage brought hope. His bravery was a quiet inner strength. He was a professional doing his job very well. His actions saved many people and made him a symbol of courage. His legacy is not just records but the spirit of quiet duty. He showed us true heroism. Alam's courage was clear, but heroes are all around us. Their bravery is often quiet and unseen. They live and work beside us. They are teachers, doctors, and friends who show kindness. Their small acts change our world. Think of a teacher in a small village who walks a long way to school. She believes every child should learn, showing quiet courage. She fights for her students' futures with few resources. Consider the nurses and doctors who work hard every day. They face difficult situations, comfort families, and save lives. Their dedication is daily bravery. Community volunteers see problems and try to fix them. They help the hungry and give shelter without seeking thanks. Their small actions make big changes. These unsung heroes are important. Their courage builds strong communities. What gives these heroes their strength? It comes from deep inside them. It is the power of self-belief. Alam believed in his skills and trusted his training. This belief helped him face danger and act quickly. Believing in yourself is very powerful. Everyday heroes also have this belief. The teacher believes she can help her students succeed. The doctor believes in her healing skills. This strong inner belief guides them and helps them overcome problems. When you believe in your work, you find courage to continue. Self-belief is a quiet confidence inside, knowing your own value and purpose. It helps you stand for what is right even when others may disagree. This unseen shield of self-belief protects from fear and sadness. True heroes do not seek applause or fame. They are moved by a strong purpose. Alam's purpose was to protect his country. He flew his plane with this goal, guided by a big cause. The teacher's purpose is to teach and help children grow. The doctor's purpose is to heal and help others. This strong sense of purpose is key. It directs their energy and work. When you act from true purpose, you do not need people to watch. Your reward is in the action itself, knowing you did good. Purpose gives meaning to hard work and makes our lives feel valuable. This quiet strength of conviction is vital. It is about doing what is right and having integrity. Heroes with purpose do not need fame. Their actions speak for them. They find joy in making a difference. This focus on purpose defines them and makes their work important. In our world today, many seek fame quickly through social media, but this kind of fame is not lasting. True heroism is about something much deeper. Alam did not have the internet. His heroism was about brave actions and saving lives. His impact is still remembered today because his actions were real. This is the kind of legacy that stays. Think about everyday heroes like teachers and nurses. Their impact is not always online but felt in people's hearts. True influence is built on helping and genuine care. We must learn to see beyond screens and value actions over attention. True impact comes from real work and quiet acts of bravery. These acts may not get many views, but they build stronger communities. They build a much better world. Let us try to make a real change. Let us focus on goodness, not just show. True heroism is about lasting impact. Courage is like a small spark that can light up the darkest places. When one person is brave, it helps others to be brave too. Alam's story inspires many people. Young people hear about his courage and dream of serving with honor. His bravery still shines today, showing others the way forward. This is also true for everyday heroes. When a teacher shows passion, she inspires students to love to learn. Acts of kindness can spread far, like ripples in a calm pond. One good act leads to more, creating a wave of goodness. Every time we choose to do good, we send a message of hope. This ripple effect is very strong and can change communities. A future filled with more kindness is built on these brave choices. We talked about great heroes like Alam and everyday heroes. Now let us look at ourselves. Each of us can be courageous. We all have strength inside us. We can all choose to help and be heroes in our lives. Being a hero is not about fame or doing big things, it means living with goodness and purpose. It means showing kindness to all, and standing for what is fair. These are acts of true heroism. Let us see the heroes around us and notice their quiet bravery, a kind word, a helping hand, a listening ear. These small things are important. Let us use our own power to help and inspire others. We can choose purpose over praise. The legacy of courage is not just history, it is a story we all help write. Together our quiet acts of courage can make a beautiful sound. They can create a wave of change and make our world brighter.